Good morning to class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today is Wednesday, 16th December 2020. It's your maths period and today our topic is time. It's page number 142 of countdown. Students, look at this clock. There are two hands on a clock. One is short hand and the other is long hand. Short hand means hour hands and the long one is minute hands. There are 12 big markings on a clock face and there are 5 minutes between two markings between each marking. Look at this. It's 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. And simply we can say that clock follows the table of 5. Let's look at this. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. Same like this, we read the table of 5. Now students, look at this and tell me the time. It is 3 o'clock. Shorthand is on 3 and longhand is on 12. So it's 3 o'clock. Now what is the time? Look at this. Longhand moves from 12 to 6. It means 30 minutes have passed. It is 3:30. 3:30. It is 3:30. It means it's 3 hours and 30 minutes. 3 hours and 30 minutes. Now look at this. What is the time? Tell me. Longhand it moves to 8. Longhand moves to 8. It means it's 40 minutes. 5 8s are 40 and hour is 3. 3 hours and 40 minutes. Now look at this time. It is shorthand is on 1 and longhand is on 2. It means 10 minutes have passed and hour is 1. 1 hour and 10 minutes. Students, open your countdown books. It's page number 142. Look at these clocks. What time it is? It is 4 hours and 10 minutes. It's 12 to 1. It's 5 minutes and 1 to 2 it's 5 minutes. So 5 plus 5 it's 10. So hour is 4. We write here 4 and minutes 10. 10 minutes. 4 hours and 10 minutes. Next look at this clock. It's 5 hours. Shorthand is on 5. So hour is 5. And how many minutes? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. Now look at this clock. What time it is? Look at this long hand. It is on 6. It means half past. And 30 minutes have passed. And which hour is this? It's 1. Which hour is this? It's 1. So we write here 1. And how many minutes? It's 30 minutes. How many minutes? 30 minutes. Now look at this clock. Students, tell me the time. Which hour is this? It's 7. Which hour is this? It's 7. And how many minutes? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Long hand wheel is on 5. So it means 5 5s are 25. How many minutes? It's 25. Next, look at this clock. How many hours? It's 5. 5 hours. And how many minutes? Its long hand is on 7. So 5 7s are 35. 5 7s are 35. Next, look at this clock. Students, look at this. Which hour is this? It's 4. And how many minutes will have passed? It's 45. So 4 hours and 45 minutes. Students, I hope you will understand it and tell the time. Do your work on your countdown books and send me your work. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.